Hey y'all, welcome back to FlyafterFifty, no spaces. I'm your Fly Dog D, and I'm back with another video. Y'all, you see me under these disrespectful lights because it is Foundation Friday. But I'm doing something a little different for Foundation Friday. I have this Makeup Forever HD Skin Palette, and I'm going to use it to do my makeup today. And I'm talking foundation, concealer, blush, and bronzer contour. So this is what it comes packaged in. I did buy this on sale during Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Just have not used it yet. Okay, and this is what it looks like. It's Makeup Forever on one side, it says, and on the other side it says HD Makeup. So upon opening this, you have all the cream product that you can use for a multitude of things. So you can use this as a foundation, a concealer, a blush, and bronzer / contour. So that's what we're going to be doing. There won't be a wear test. We're just going to play around in this today and see if I can come up with a look. So when I bought this, I went on Amazon. You know Amazon got some kind of dupe. So I got the Ministar face palette. And it's Ultra HD. Just going to show it to you real quick. I may do a battle of these two to see which, if you can tell which is which. But this is what it looks like on one side, the other side, and here they are. So that's what that looks like. Let me show you them together for comparison. They have the same type of case, but this one for Makeup Forever is much more sturdier and is more heavy too. So here they are. Hopefully you can see it. Ministar Makeup Forever. But I'm gonna do that another day. But if you want to try that one, been wanting to try this, and it's out of your budget because I got it on sale, you can get this one from Amazon. All right, so my face is already prepped. I have on the Tatcha Silk Canvas primer. You know, I'm trying to use that up. And I've already done my eyes. I did my eyes with the Inslee Rain Harvest Moon palette. I thought it was fitting since they're about to release another palette that I can't wait to get. All right, so that's what I did. That video on this eye look will be coming sometime next week. Okay, let's get started. I have 2 sponges here. So I don't know if I should use a brush. I'll see how they feel after I do it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is swatch these. Oh, they're creamy. They're very emollient. Okay, that's like a highlighter right there. Very emollient. I didn't think that it would be, but it is nice. It comes off very nicely. Oh, that's pretty. That's what the first 4 looks like. This is what it sounds like. Next 2. I think I have to mix some colors too. But so far, I'm liking how it looks on my hand. All right, now we're going to go to this side. Nice yellow. Blush or color corrector here. Very nice. Ooh. Those are that's very nice. Then we're going to do these last 4 lighter tones that I wouldn't necessarily use, but mix with the darker ones to make them a little bit lighter. Okay, so that's those. And there they are. That's everything. Okay, now looking at these swatches, I think I'm going to try this one right here for my foundation and see what happens. I'm going to spritz my face a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to use one of my sponges. This is the DSMD sponges. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Alright, so I'm going to go into this one right here. Picks up nice on the sponge. A little mirror here. Oh, yeah. That my color. I don't know, maybe I should use a brush. Oh yeah, easier to manipulate with a brush. All right, that's looking good. I don't know what I was expecting, but this is not it. It's looking good. Now I'm gonna use my sponge and just, you know, make sure everything's good. Y'all forget my eyebrows. I hate doing those. Just ignore those. And I tried to put on lashes today. Nah, it was a no-go. All right, that looks really good. Looks really good. Feels good too. All right, now we're gonna do under eye, but let me get another brush since I think brush is the way to go with this. Actually, you know what I'm gonna use? I'm gonna use my fingers. I'm gonna mix this one and this one. This one and this one. Let's see what I get. Oh yeah. That's a good color. That is a good color. Alright, so that's on. Now I'm gonna go in and go ahead and put my blush and no. Don't even try to be fancy schmancy. Let's go ahead and blend. One step at a time. Okay, now I'm gonna set T-zone area. That stuff that's gonna be set. Okay, let me get a powder. Okay, I'm gonna try this Givenchy Prisme Libre powder. Got a mini one. It's the one with the different ones together. Okay, so I'm gonna see they're all different colors. I don't know if you could tell. 4 different colors. Alright, so now I got my powder on. I'm gonna brush it away. I had to turn the camera off for a second because I got powder all on that palette. So I had to wipe it off. Okay, and before I put on anything else, I'm gonna spray the powder. It's looking real good so far, y'all. Alright, now, see the powder I got on it? Shoot. I didn't want to contaminate it in that way. So now I'm going with this the darkest brown to do my contour using this brush. I'm going to put it on with the brush and then blend a little bit and then finish it up with a sponge. You know, bronzer slash contour. But it's blending out nicely with this little brush. I used to say, oh, what's the point of bronzer? But now I realize I can see what it's doing. I was doing it wrong all that time. I was like, child, I'm putting on bronzer. I don't even know why. It just blends effortlessly. Effortlessly. Wow. All right, now for blush. All right, so I'm gonna use these two as blushes. Ugh, I hate that I got powder on them. The first one's closer to this side. I'm gonna use my fingers. And this one towards the back. Blends so easily. Very nice. So nice. All right, then I'm going to use this one that looks kind of like highlighted lighter. I'm going to use that. Take it down my nose. Right chin. Right here. Then put a little bit right here. And now I'm going to go in with the powder bronzer. Oh, Lord, just dropping stuff. This is this Dior Forever Deep Bronze. All right, looking good, looking good. So I'm not setting anything else. Let's spray my face. Not working. All right, y'all, here I am back with my finished face. I really like the way my makeup has come off. I didn't use any powders except for under my eyes and on the bronzer area. But y'all, this looks good. I like using this HT Skin. It does look really good. I might have to try their new foundation now that I like this. But yeah, this is the finished look for Foundation Friday. I will say my outlook is favorable. Favorable. I really like it. I may come back at the end of the day just to show. You know what? I think I will. I am going to come back at the end of the day because these are more dewy or moisturizing products. So we'll see how they hang on my normal to dry skin. It is now 1:21. I did not just get up, y'all. I did not just get up. I had a dentist appointment earlier. So I went to my dentist appointment, came home, and then did my makeup. So I was not in bed. No, not this time. All right, y'all. So that is it. And yeah, I will come back at the end of the day to show you what it's looking like and tell you what I think about it. Hey, y'all. I'm back. It's the end of the day. Time is 7:20. If you can see that, 7:20. So I had this on about 6 hours. As you can see, still looking good. Look the same. Looks the exact same. Only thing I did was change my lipstick. Looks good. It has that vibrancy, that glow lit from within type look. I mean, you can still see the blush real good. Look at that. Look at that. Put the highlighter right there. I mean, the under my eyes. Everything looks good. This was nice. I'm glad I used it. I have normal to dry skin, and I don't know how good it is by combating oils, but I really don't have any. But y'all, I really like this. So if you have normal to dry skin, for sure you can use this. I don't know about anybody who got a lot of oils, but normal to dry girlies can definitely use it. And I like the finish of this. I really like the look so much so I think I am going to buy their newest foundation. I didn't get the one right before that. I got a little sample, but I think I can still get a little sample. Well, the mini, it's the mini. I can get the mini of the new one as well. So I'm going to give that a try because if it has a finish like this, it's a winner. It's a winner. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. And until I see you in another video, stay fly, sis.